Namar kajing sapriang stat kaklam COVID-19 haka Nongbah Shillong, Menteri Rangba kejala ukonrat kongkal sangma haka sipalay jong katayaw ulalum ya Jingiatreilang bat ki MLA ka Nongbah Shillong banyamir jengmut bat banterwai ya Jingiatreilang bantek lakam ya kajing sapriang jong kani kaklam. Hakane ka Jingiatreilang ka belalum da ukonrat ke sangma layadon lang usembut Menteri Rangba kejala ubak Preston Tensong Menteri Govt kakya ubak AL hek balawan banyak sembenta da baru nyungut ke MLA jong ka Nongbah Shillong. Ubak Preston Tensong habekren bekinong tok kubor ulong ke Sorkar jala kala rai ban pin ki imbiang ka Constituency Govt Management Committee namar ke jingjur bat jingkiu stat ka klam COVID-19 bat kini ki komite kendon ki Jingiatreilang jongki na kapor sekapor bat lada ki don kam ki Jingiarap ki de ban pentip saka Sorkar bahkan le ya ka badon kam na kabenta banyak kun persya ya ka klam COVID-19. Ulaya thu bagi MLA kila kular Jingiatreilang bat ka Sorkar jala bantek lakam ya kejing sapriang ka klam bala batharu ya ki MLA bagi dai ban ai Tika bat ki dai ru ban penslori ki pat ba haki constituency jongki ban let ai Tika.
Almost all the 7 MLAs attended the meeting, and in the meeting the government has requested all the respective local MLAs to also share the responsibility with the government by requesting each and every individuals in and around Shillong that they should get themselves vaccinated at the earliest possible. So that is the point number one, where we already discussed with the honorable MLAs, and all the honorable MLAs has also agreed. And the second point was relating to the reactivation of the constituency COVID Management Committee, which was already notified during the last year. And then again, we already decided to reactivate these committees in the respective constituency, where they will have a regular review meeting in the level. And in case, if need be, they will accordingly inform the government for any necessary help from the government relating the fighting of the COVID-19. So these are the two issues where we discussed, and I'm so happy to inform to all of you that all the local MLAs of the Shillong city are also together with the government in fighting against the COVID-19. See, I don't know, can you please tell me what is the percentage of those people who get positive after taking 2 doses of injection? In fact, right now we don't have that, we don't have that figure. That's why we insisted them. One is you have to go for injection, number one. In case if you get, maybe after the first dose of vaccination, maybe tomorrow or the after tomorrow you get the positive case. You become a positive case. So when you become a positive, let me just tell you one thing. What happened is the impact of the virus is reduced. You don't have to go to hospital. Because see, nowadays it's so dangerous, because people, they must be having a prolonged illness in different ways, whatever. So by taking the vaccination, the impact of the virus is reduced drastically. Therefore, I'm saying once again, I would request all the concerned citizens of the state, please get yourself vaccinated.